This is so beautiful. This color is just like... Hey guys, it's Maureen and welcome back. So today we are going to be unboxing the iPhone 14 Pro Max that we've been waiting for almost a year. We are actually early to get the iPhone, so I am super excited. And also because I chose the new color, which is the deep purple. I did a poll on Instagram and 65% of you guys says the deep purple. So that's why I got the deep purple. I'm not so sure if I like it, but I think I will like it. And also we have some accessories here that I will be sharing to you. And yeah, this is the unboxing. So this year they didn't really put any plastic, so we'll just have to pull the tab here, which is convenient because I suck in taking plastics off. So here we go. I'm excited. Oh, by the way, we got the iPhone 14 Pro Max here with deep purple 256 gigabytes. Let's do it. Good. Are you guys seeing this? This color? You got to see this. This angle right here where I'm looking at is amazing. Right here is like light purple because the lighting is right that way. But on this angle, it looks kind of black, which is awesome. And right here, this angle. Oh my god. I think I love this color. The cameras are getting bigger. Like it's taller too. The camera on this angle. Wow. Oh my god. This is so beautiful. This color is just like, there's a light color that you will see with different angles. Or I mean the lighting that hits on that angle. Let's see the sides. I don't want to touch it. I do not want to touch it. Okay, let's move it here so we can see what's included in the box. So we have this USB-C to lightning cable, and also we have this paperwork, which I'm super excited because the phone here, especially here in the US, it's going to be Esim. I was a little bit worried at first. I think I've heard about Esim before, but when I heard about it, I was kind of nervous because I fly to the Philippines soon. I want to use my iPhone there. I found out the Philippines has Esim, and I think it's Smart Communications that has Esim, so I think I'm gonna get that. But I'm really happy that there is a Esim in the Philippines, and I think it started in 2021. Don't quote me on that, but I'm really excited about that. You no longer need a physical SIM card. You can just activate your eSIM during iPhone setup. For more information, go to apple.com. It's a big change. It's actually a big change for all of us, but I think if we get used to it and will know how to use it. But yeah, I think it's very convenient to do eSIM. I know there's a controversy about it, like everyone's freaking out that it's eSIM. Oh no, how can I travel? But hopefully some countries will embrace the eSIM, and so when we travel, we can use our iPhones there, or else we can just use the Wi-Fi's. Yeah, I like the idea of eSIM. So I like change, so I think I'll like this change. What we have here is that information about the eSIM, and then those common stuff that we see on a box when we buy some Apple products. And we have some sticker here. Look at this side here. Look at that, it's so beautiful. Oh, and now we are going to be unboxing the accessories before we turn on the iPhone, because I do not want this new iPhone with big cameras to get scratched. So I want to put some cases and screen protector and camera protector. So we're gonna start with the cases, and these are sent by ArtsEvo. Oh, thank you so much for sending this. It's in a shoe. Oh my god! You guys, I love the box. Look at this. It's so beautiful. It's the purple. How do they know that I'm getting the purple? The deep purple. Very nice packaging. Look at this. They are so peachy. Let's see if we like it. Oh my god. This is very cute. Wow. Super cute. And with a sticker, I don't want to peel it. This is so cute, guys. I don't want to break it. We just peel that. Ooh. It's clear with peach on the sides. Yeah, this looks like the cherry pink, but I'm not really sure if it is. So let's put the phone in the case. Oh my god. Ooh. Let's find out what color this is. Packaging. Oh, this is probably this is the pink color. Oh, it's easy to take it off, so that's good. Cool. Ooh, looks nice with a hot pink. I'm gonna put some camera protector first before the screen protector, so that when we put it camera down and do the screen protector, the cameras are protected first. So, and I got it from Amazon as usual. I did order the purple diamond, so it's showing just purple here. So I hope this is the right one. Yeah. Ooh, we got it, guys. Wet wipes, dust absorber. I don't know what this is. Or maybe this is like to take off the, if you don't want the camera protector, you can take it off. This is the, I don't know, the scooper. See the diamonds here. Or the purple diamond. Oh, they're so big. Wow. Such a big. I don't know if this is the right one. Wow, those are friggin' big. First, let's wipe it. And wipe it with a... Oh microfiber. I always want to put some camera protector on my phone. Okay, let's do the dust absorber here. Okay, I think that'll be fine. Peel this purple diamond. And then one by one covering our camera. Wow, it's so cute. Oh my god. This is so beautiful. So fancy. And then cover the second camera. Wait. Is that okay? I don't think so. Just absorb it. There you go. And then the last one. Wow, it's so friggin' fantastic. For iPhone 14 Pro Max. Let's use this. Oh, it works. And see. Oh wow. Oh, camera protectors. But I don't like those ones. I like the single one. Ta-da! So we got, oh my. We gotta read the instructions here. And let's open. It says open. This is the wet wipe, extra wet wipe, and a microfiber. And this is the screen protector. This is what it looks like. You open it. The screen protector is set already in that side. And then the phone goes on this side. Yeah? Am I right? I think so. And wipe my iPhone here. Microfiber. There's no dust absorber on this. So I'm just gonna use the one from the camera protector. And then this is the fun part. Yeah? We'll pull the strap. Press the logo for 10 seconds. Ooh, looks great. It's actually good. Wow, there's just one bubble in the bottom, but I think we can fix that. Okay, and I'm gonna continue actually opening the other cases. Have to cut it so that you could slide it open, which is annoying. And which one is this? Oh my gosh, this is the purple, guys. So this is the dark purple. Ooh. Looks pretty. Oh wow, it's super purple. So purplish. Holy cow. And this case actually is not too bad. And really soft to take it off too. That's the third one. This next one is probably the hot pink. Try it here. here is the green. Holy cow! This is so cute too with the green. Last but not the least, oh, this one has actually stickers and a ArtsEvo card talking about the ArtsEvo brand. It's so cute too. It's protecting the camera and the screen also. It seems like it's kind of tall. So I'm gonna turn on this phone for the first time. Hey. I'm gonna set this phone aside and then I'm gonna unbox another accessory here. This accessory is sent by Zeera, and Zeera has been sending stuff to me for a long time, and I am unboxing another Zeera because I love Zeera. The travel charger, and I love it because I have iPhone, I have Apple Watch, and yeah, let's unfold it. Oh, let's see what's under here. So this is actually the Zeera Megfold, world's most portable 3-in-1 foldable travel MagSafe wireless charger for iPhone 14, Apple Watch, and AirPods. This box right here has both the regular C-to-C cable and the premium nylon braided C-to-C cable. This is the braided one, which is kind of cool. Braided, it's like protecting the wire there, the inside. And the other one is the regular C-to-C cable only. This is all 61.99 bucks. The Apple Watch Series 6, I guess this is the 44 millimeters. And I got the AirPods 3. We got the iPhone 13 Pro Max. 3 items in one, charging all at once. If you guys want to check this out, I will be linking it down in the description box. This is very convenient for travelers. You can just fold it and throw it in your bag. Okay, let's continue with our iPhone here. Thank you so much for joining me in unboxing my iPhone 14 Pro Max here, and these accessories from ArtsEvo. These cute cases right here. I will be linking everything down in the description box, including the Megfold wireless charger, travel wireless charger from Zeera Wireless. And yeah, I'm so excited when my phone is done restoring from iCloud, because it's still restoring, so it's probably in an hour or whatever, but I'm super excited to use it. The always on display, always at the ready. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you have a wonderful day and night, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.